Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Just a quick update here. Aave, I have no confirmation that a low has been established yet. Price action of the lows is not impulsive enough yet, not aggressive enough yet to the upside. However, we have seen a break of a trend line, potentially. Yeah, it's not a very well defined trend line. There are different ways of drawing it. This is probably the best way at 3 touch points there. And it broke this trend line just now, okay? But trend lines are to a degree subjective, whereas the Fibonacci levels are not. Okay, wave counts are to a degree subjective, yes, but again, the Fibonacci levels are not, and we're still holding Fibonacci support. And as long as the $54 level is holding, a third wave rally is at least a reasonable prospect. My concerns about this wave count here in white, which is the primary count, yeah, obviously suggesting we had a potential 5-wave move to the upside. These 5 waves, okay, they are valid. There's one flaw in this wave count, which doesn't make it invalid, but what I don't like about it is that the wave 4, time-wise, just time-wise, is a little bit too short compared to what the wave 2 did. It's valid, and also the wave 4 reached a perfect retracement level for a wave 4, which is the 38.2 retracement, absolute perfect. However, it just leaves a bit of a bad taste to it, you could say, and gives me a bit of a headache when we talk about this wave count. Therefore, I am considering an alternative count, which means that all of this move up in yellow is actually a diagonal structure, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Actually, then the wave 1 would probably sit up there. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, okay, and this would be a wave 4 instead of a wave 2, and then there's only one more high to come in a wave 5. We should be able to pick that up along the way as we go in wave 5. The wave 3 should be really aggressive, whereas a wave 5 wouldn't be. And nevertheless, they are both valid wave counts, and in both there is a chance to move higher as long as the $54 level is holding. That really is the make or break point also for the white wave count, okay? The white wave count allows for a deeper retracement. I have added here my preferred micro count. Now, don't treat those micro counts as too predictive. Best I can tell you is that the AB structure is done. We're now coming down in the wave C. I can tell you that ideally in any wave 2 correction, I would like to see the price reach at least the 50% retracement level, so $60, maybe even a little lower. But I can also tell you it has done basically the minimum of what it needs to do in this C wave of wave 2. Yeah, I mean, it reached it has done 5 waves. Okay, I consider this C wave an ending diagonal. So what I could imagine is happening here is that in this 5th wave, we have an A wave complete. This is now the B wave, and we come down once more in a C wave. This is at least what I can tell. Diagonal structures have to be changed frequently, the structures, because, they consist of corrective subwaves and they are very choppy. So we have to always be on our toes and we have to watch these charts like a hawk. But, it is the area now where a price, let's say a recovery would be expected from this region. I would prefer the price to reach at least 60. 60 to 57 would be ideal. Below that, it's a very deep retracement. It's valid, but it shouldn't go below 54 in order to keep the prospects alive of a third wave rally to probably $100 plus. If we talk about Fibonacci extensions, it's another way of measuring targets. We can take the length of the A wave, then we go to the high of the B wave, and the key target for the C wave is actually, first of all, the first key target, the 1-to-1 ratio. That already broke, so I have to look for the next one. And then we are looking at also $60 here. Yeah, it's an overlap with the 50% Fib level. And the 1.618 extension, very meaningful, around $58. So yeah, $58 remains a key level to watch. So, and now we're just watching for potential reversal structures from here. And we also need to understand that on the different time frames, we start to see some bullish divergences appear. The 1-hour chart shows one. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. It also showed a slight bullish divergence. Yeah, I would like to see that we eventually go into the oversold region, however, on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.